Hi, this is Adam with FR3. I'm going to show you how to work the slide boxes. So we just got to the campsite. We just dropped our auto leveling system by depressing the emergency brake. We're going to still leave the ignition on. And now we're going to step back here to the control panel. Here you're going to have, depending on your unit, we have two in this floor plan. This is the 33Z. We're going to go ahead and hit the out button. Now once that slides all the way out, the one thing I do want to point out to people to make sure is when it's time to bring that back in, make sure your captain's chair is pushed forward enough to where that slide can come in without damaging your chair. Thanks for your time.